Good day and welcome to another Micrographics vlog. We are an Autodesk partner and reseller. My name is Sean Bauer and I will be presenting this vlog today, 11 April 2025. I am an applications engineer and an Autodesk AECO technical consultant with Micrographics, and today's topic is AutoCAD 2026 Smart Blocks, AI-powered search and convert, or detect and convert. If you find this vlog to be informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future vlogs. On the agenda for today, there'll be an introduction, then we'll look at search and convert with a small demonstration, and then detect and convert with that demonstration and a conclusion. Okay, so on the introduction, Smart Blocks, it's an AI-powered search and convert or detect and convert. On the Home tab, the Block panel, or the Insert tab Block panel, you will find the search and convert and detect and convert within your ribbon. Find repetitive geometry and convert it into blocks. Place those converted blocks on the correct layer. Swap out the blocks with a different block if you choose to do so. The exciting new feature in AutoCAD 2026, this enhancement brings the power of artificial intelligence right into your drafting workflow. Whether you're working on a new design or cleaning up a legacy drawing, AutoCAD can now intelligently identify repetitive geometry and convert it into blocks, all with just a few clicks. It is a game changer for productivity, file optimization, and consistency. So if you've ever found yourself manually creating blocks from repeated objects, this feature was made for you. So let's take a closer look at how it works and why it's such a powerful addition to AutoCAD 2026. This is a small snippet from the Autodesk AI help page if you search for Autodesk AI on your web browser. Since 2009, Autodesk's Industrial Research Lab has published over 65 peer-reviewed research papers, making the Autodesk Research AI Lab the world's leading publisher of original AI research for CAD geometry. Over the last 10 years, Autodesk has invested in artificial intelligence because they recognize the transformative power of AI for the industries that they serve. It's already helping our customers to achieve more with less. Today, Autodesk AI powers workflows and capabilities across Autodesk software and the Autodesk platform, with more capabilities coming in the future. So, search and convert. Quickly search your drawing for objects, matching text and variable text to convert into instances of a newly defined block, an existing or recently used block, or a suggested block from your block libraries with the help of Autodesk AI. Here's a small demonstration, so you'll find it on the Home tab and on the Insert tab for search and convert and detect and convert. If you select the search and convert, you have to select the objects with matching instances. These are loose lines or polylines, and the AI will go search for similar objects. It includes existing blocks and includes text variations. So I'm converting those lines and polylines into a block. You can select a new block or select an already existing block. It will convert it then into that block, or create a new one, give it a name. You can pick a base point, or it uses the geometry's center point. I will select the base point as an example. So all similar geometry will now be converted into that single door block. Select a layer that you wish to place it on, and those four doors which used to be lines and polylines and arcs, are now converted into blocks on the correct layer. You can then toggle that grip if you wish to move it, copy it, and so on. Detect and convert improve design efficiency and save time when cleaning up drawings by automatically recognizing objects to convert into blocks with the help of the Autodesk AI. AutoCAD now includes additional control to refine and modify results with the new Review toolbar. So if you click on Detecting and Convert, it will identify the objects that can be converted into blocks. So on this Detect palette, you will see at the bottom what types of blocks are supported in Detect. If you click on that help page, you will find more information regarding this Detect. So what is the difference between Detect and Search? Detect uses machine learning to identify and group similar objects in a drawing for block conversion. It currently detects the best recognizing architectural objects such as doors and toilets. You can use the search or B search functions within your command prompt to start this detection. Here, Autodesk has recognized 14 different sets of blocks, which is either already converted or can be converted. So that those are currently polylines. When you hover over it, you will see the properties of that element. Then you can decide whether you would like to change that or edit that, the primary object. So if you want to have a different size or shape towards your block that you are now creating, there are 28 instances found that have similar geometry in this drawing. You can select a block from the current, what is already available in your library, or from your recent blocks to convert it into that block. Let's do something drastic. I will change the I-beam into a bath, just so that it is clear what we are doing. Select the layer you would like to assign that up to that new block, and then convert it. During your placement, you can either accept it as is and it will just swap it out, or you can move and rotate it. You can do more than one command so that all blocks, depending on their placement, will be then converted. So I did a 90-degree rotation and I moved the base point up. So my I-beam has now been converted to a bath and it's on the correct layer. It's quite convenient finding similar geometry throughout your drawing and converting those lines, polylines, arcs, circles into blocks, and you're also able to replace it and choose the one you would like it to be swapped out with. So in conclusion, with the power of AI search, AutoCAD now does the heavy lifting, finding repeated geometry and turning it into efficient, editable blocks. It's a huge time saver and a big win for cleaner, smarter drawings. If you haven't tried this feature yet, I highly recommend jumping into AutoCAD 2026 and giving it a go. And if you want to explore more, check out the official help guide. You can search for Autodesk Smart Block Convert on your web browser, or within AutoCAD, click on the link when the Detect palette opens. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Micrographics. Hope you found this vlog informative. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell for future vlogs. Thank you again, and goodbye.